Hello boys and girls, welcome to Jabulani's Playhouse. I'm Jabu. And I'm Lani, and we're still busy building the mining truck, aren't we, Jabu? We sure are. This is LEGO Technic. This is the first LEGO Technic that Jabulani's Playhouse has built, and it's been a lot of fun. It's very finicky, lots of small pieces, and that's why it's for boys and girls aged 9 to 16, because it's a little advanced building, isn't it? Sure is, Jabu, but it's a lot of fun, and we got the piston working, and we got the timing chain on the engine. It's really a lot of fun. Hopefully it'll start going a little faster now once we finish this engine chassis part, right? Exactly, and then it should be a little quicker build, but we might have 2 more videos yet, so stick around with us, boys and girls. Lots of fun coming up, and we'll be finished in no time at all. Let's get to it. Okay, so that's where we left off. Instruction 19 on page 27. I'm going to show the boys and girls the little LEGO app that you can download on the iTunes App Store, the Apple iStore, the Apple App Store, or as we have done here on Google Play. And it's sort of a helpful building app if you would prefer to follow along digital instructions like this, which is quite clever, and it's really quite useful, as you can see. It shows you what the mining truck's going to look like when it's all finished. That's right, Jabu. It takes a little while to start up on our Nexus 7, which is a few years old. It sure is, but it's working well, and you can see that it's saved our place. And so we're going to just scroll through the boys and a few of the different steps here, boys and girls, as you can see, just so you can become comfortable with how things work. Sort of shows you where things are fitting in. Continuing to build. And of course, if you click on this button here, it shows you how to set things in. It's very clever. It's a great little app. Okay, there you go. All right, we're going to follow. You can follow along with us in the App Store. I mean, on the tablet app. But we're going to continue on with the booklet. So we're going to do page 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And carry on to becomes 20 and 21. That's halfway mark. All right. Okay, so we put the engine chassis away for now because we're going to start building a different portion, and we're going to use stickers, Lani. Yay, Jabo! You know I love stickers. I know you do. Okay, we're going to put this in here. That one on this side, and kind of ballpark them of equal distance apart, maybe about like that. Can adjust it as we go, and then we turn that sort of horizontally so we can attach one of these on each side. Oh, whoopsies. Gotta adjust this because we need a little bit of space here still. I guess about that much space perhaps. And then this one on this side. Whoopsies. Okay, looks about right. We'll deal with that for now, like this way. Then we've got 4 of these little pieces. So one goes in here, clip it in, one goes in here, clip it in, one goes in here, clip it in, and one goes in here, clip it in. Exactly. Now these will probably supposed to be at the edge there together, so just move that up a little bit. It's probably how it'll be, I imagine. So that looks pretty good for now. And then we're going to take this piece, and on one side we're going to put a sticker. I don't think it matters which side, but this side looks a bit smoother. This one's got a bit of a bump there, so put it on there, and we take sticker number 1, it says. So this is sticker 1 here, as you can see. Looks like shoelaces, eh? It does, Jabu. That's silly. I know. And we're going to put it up at the top here. Just about like that. Okay, that's about right. That'll do. And this one's going to go on this side. Excellent. Looks pretty good, hey? That looks terrific, Jabu. Love it. All right. Now we'll continue building. Put one of these with the tube sides on each end, like so. Then we push this in through here, right into the tube like that. I'm going to take this piece, and this piece is also going to get a sticker. This one's got a little dot on there, if you can see that, a little scratch indentation, so we'll put it on this side. And this is going to take stickers 2 and 3. See them over there? Oh, cool, Jabu. Yeah. So sticker 2 is going to go on this side, so that the black chevrons slope downwards like so. And then sticker 3 will go on the left hand side. The chevrons will slope downwards too. That looks terrific, Jabu. Thanks, Lani. Alright. Then we put this in the 4th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good so far, hey? I love it, Jabu. It's looking really good. We turn the page to 30. And then we attach this onto the front here. Goes on like so. This doesn't look like the front. Interesting. Have we missed a spot? There's a whole piece that's supposed to be built in the front here that doesn't look like we've done yet. Oh, Jabu, where did we miss this a piece? Oh, you look at these pieces here. That is in front of the gears. So I might have to go back and see where we missed a spot. Building that. Aha. We missed this spot here. Okay, because we did that piece, yeah. So we got to go back and do these pieces first. Oh, Jabu. Yeah, let's finish up with that. Got to keep your wits about you, Lani. Sure do, Jabu, because this is how sometimes mistakes happen, and then it's easy to find them sooner than later, right? Exactly. Okay, so put one of these in the middle, roughly. Sort of eyeball it. That looks pretty good. And then these ones up at the top here. Okay. And then one of these each. Okay, looks like it's roughly centered. We can always mix it up if we need to, right? That's right, Jabu. And then a couple more facing down. Yeah, because now we're not quite. We push it down a smidge. Whoops. Well, that's about right. Who knows? Do our best, hey? Yes, we are, Jabu. This will give us an idea, because these are probably need to line up. Oh, it's close enough, I hope. We'll see. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Aha. I think now we got it, Lani. Yay, Jabu! Okay, turn it that way. Put these little tubes down here. One like that. See, the long part is going in, like so. So the short part sticks out. Then one here. And this is going to go in the front here. Like so. And then we push these through. It says. Okay. Alright, now we're back up to speed, Lani. And I figured out how the piston moves. Moves at the back cog here. See that? Isn't that cool? And there's the timing belt, timing chain. Yay, Jabu, we did it! Alright, now we can go on to page 30 and attach this piece, which is going to go how does it fit here? Does it go like so or like so, I think? Yeah, I think it goes like so. Get these little pieces in here. There we go. That looks about right. Hopefully we got that right. We will find out, Lani. We sure will. We're going to do more stickers, right, Jabu? Exactly. Which one do you think this is going to take? It's going to take sticker 1 again. Exactly. Take our sticker 1. I'm going to put it on the top again. Cool. Nice stickers, eh? Sure is, Jabu. And then we put this one on here just to match. Okay, wow. Pretty sturdy. Looking good. Very involved, eh? Sure is, Jabu. But we're doing it. We're doing a good job. We are. Page 31. Okay. 22. 23. 24. More stickers. Yay! 25. Okay, I think we're going to start building some lights here, Lani. Yay! Love lights, Jabu. I know. We've got these little lights. We put the small end in. Do that twice. Like so. And then these gonna go on here. And on the side here. The little lights. Yay, that sounds good. I know. Alright. So we're going to take the shorter one, which is a number 7. Going to put in a little tube on each end. And we're going to take a taller one on top, like so. And we're going to take 3 of these, put the long part in. 1, miss a spot. 2, miss a spot. 3. We do this twice. So there's 1. Now we'll do the second one. The long one on top of the shorter one. Okay. 1. Miss a spot. That's right, Lani. Miss another spot. Exactly. Cool. Okay, and these pieces go on the edge here, like so. Whoopsies. Little piece came out. Don't want that. Put it back in. And then on the other side, the exact same, right? Exactly. So there's on that side. There's on that side. Looking good. Looking really good, Jabu. And then on to instruction 24. Here we need stickers. So we need 5 and 6. The stickers here, 5 and 6. So take number 5. Put on this one here. A little tricky. Okay, pretty good. Looks really good, Jabu. And this one goes on this side. Clips onto those little pieces there. CWP89. And then we take number 6. Exactly. And we put on this one. And put on this side. Yay, Jabu, that looks great. Thanks, Lani. Then we take these pieces, put the curve at that side on our left, stick in the groove pieces here, not too far. We want them just to touch your finger at the other side here, see? So I put our finger there, put our finger underneath. There we go. And we put in this corner piece here, we put this ring on it, push it right to the bottom, and then we take this piece and it goes parallel to that one, and then has another ring on top. Like so. And then this piece goes on top of these ones. Just like that, Jabu. Just like that, Lani. Okay. Interesting looking piece. And it goes on here. Like so. I guess that's the cab, hey? Yeah, it looks like it, Jabu. Looks like it would be. Cool. That's where we are so far. 25. Page 35. Instruction 26. 27. Comes that. 28. Okay. So we're going to continue building. Take one of these. We hold it with the bent end towards the right there. And we stick this through the back. Like so. Then we need a sticker again. And there's only 2 stickers left, so it's going to be number 4, right, Lani? That's right, Jabu, it's the only choice. Yeah. And the red light is going to be up at the top. There you go, like so. Yay! And this one is going to go on this side, through here, whoops, like so. That goes right in the corner there. Clip it in. and then it says push that. So we push that through. Okay, and we're going to probably do the same with the other side, so we'll get our sticker ready. The last sticker, Jabu! Yeah, shame. All the stickers are finished now. And again, the red light goes on. It goes on the top. Exactly. Perfect. Okay, this one's a little different because we're going to put in this little clip here on the bent part in the middle with the groove end sticking out, as you can see there. Then cover that with a black sheath, and then inside that put in one of these groove pieces, and the same here at the back. I'm going to push it through like so. Then this is going to stick on here as far as it'll go, which is not all the way, won't cover it. And then this piece in here. Okay, that's what that piece looks like. And that's where we are so far, Lani. That's right, Jabu got up to page 37, instruction 27. And then we attach it to the other side, and we push in the gray piece. And then we go into 28. Aha, now we start building the bed, right? Looks like it, Lani. A lot of fun. Okay. So this piece is going to go in the back here, you can see. I'm going to join up those ones. And it's also going to join up its neighbor. In there, you see that? Red piece is going to join. Help it along, clip it in. See how they've joined there? I see that, Jabu, very smart. Yeah, it's pretty ingenious, I must say. Okay, and then we take this long one. It goes on the top here. Now I'm not going to put it all the way through yet because it's not asking us to do that. We're going to put these on here. Smooth side facing out. And then this one here too. Okay. Let's see how we build it. I'm going to change over to page 40, boys and girls, if you're following along. We'll start building the bed. I see that, Jabu. Okay, move that out of the way, get us some space. So this is piece number 9, which we measured out. You can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes. Missed 2, put it in. Missed 2 from the other end, put it in the third one. You take this piece, turn it upside down like that. Goes in here, one from the end, on the other side, one from the end. Short end goes in here, one from the end again, here as well. One from the end. I think this piece goes in here, like so. And then we take these long pieces, short end here, whoopsies. Do it twice. There's one. Here's another one. And we join these up so they go the full width of it. This part facing out, as you can see, like so. Just following the instructions carefully, boys and girls. That's right, Jabu, that's a good idea. And then we've got these other pieces. These are also long. These are number 11s. 3 6, 9, 10, 11. That's why they call it 11, I guess. There's 11 holes in it. And missed 2 from that left end. Put that in. 2 from the left end. Put that in. And then these ones are going to go like this. Like so, building it out, and like so, right, Lani? You betcha, Jabu, whatever you say. Very tricky, but it's looking good. Now we've got a nice base there, eh? Wow. Okay, that's where we are so far, page 41. Not going to be a finish today, but we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we'll take a break, boys and girls. The good news, Lani. What that, Jabu? Well, the good news is that we'll be able to have a shorter video for our final one. We'll take a better look at a little detailed, in-depth look at the finished truck, because I'm sure we'll finish it tomorrow. You can see behind us not many pieces left, hey? That's right, Jabu. That's very true. This is going to go in the 2 holes from the end there, as you can see. Yeah, not many pieces left, Jabu. We're going to do a great job, right? We sure are. So miss 3 pieces, and in the 4th one, put a short end in, and right next to it. Whoops. We need another one. Right next to it, like so. And then this goes. Aha. I see. Not paying attention, because this one doesn't actually miss the end. It goes. Whoops. Goes right in the very first one here. So that was Daddy's mistake. Uh-oh, Jabu, but that's okay. Yeah, because now we learned. And then this one goes up in here. Like so. There we are. Let's see what that looks like. Put this piece through. Just to the other side. This piece with the smooth edge facing us, like so. Whoopsie. It goes right down the bottom of that one. And we take the 2-manner, goes on top here. And the 3-hole piece goes in like so, and it'll drift down, as you can see. So that looks about good so far. Turn the page. Not sure what this piece is doing here. Maybe we'll put that there for now. It's confusing the daddy. Alright, we'll put one of these in here. One in front of it on this one, and one in the far end here, Lani. I see that, Jabu. Looks good to me. And this will help cement this piece in place like that. Looks good, Jabu. I like it. Thanks, Lani. Okay. Take these pieces. Grooved ends up. Put 2 grooved ends in down below. And we're going to do this twice. And then place these, not the first, not the second, but the third, in there. Not the first, not the second, but in the third, whoops. The first one's got stuff in it, but the second one we could put them in, but we don't. Hee Jabu, that jumped right up at us. It did, Lani. Silly, hey? So that's what that's looking like. And then we're going to flip this up. Put this little tubular piece right through here to the very end. I'm going to put it through the bottom of the hole here. And these ones. Put that right there. This one right here. I think that's where we were going to stop, but let's just turn the page just to see how it goes. Aha. So it gets a little clip on the end. We might as well do that. Finish it up. So these go both to the very end. And it gets one of these clips. And we put it like that. Okay, that's where we stop. Lani. Yay, Jabu, good job. It's really starting to take shape now, Jabu. It sure is, Lani. And it's a lot of fun. We're building the mining truck by LEGO Technic. It's an advanced build. It's taken us a few videos, but it's going to be fun. Tomorrow we'll finish up and take a good close look at it and all the different movable parts, right? Sure will, Jabu. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come join us tomorrow. Love to have you here. Thanks for playing with us in our construction trucks. Exactly. And then we'll do the Wheel Dozer as well. So that'll be a lot of fun with LEGO Technic for the next several days, right? Exactly. See you then. Bye-bye. Bye for now.